Well, yeah, if I can't, if I had a strap, I'd hook up to you, but.
No, it's all good. I'll figure it out.
Yeah, just okay, yeah, because of the rain, you know.
I know. Yeah, the skis are heavy too. So. Let's see.
Try to get it up on there without putting all, you know.
Yeah.
You got a crank on the front of it.
I don't.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so what I didn't record was I just actually pushed him up out of the boat ramp because his truck was spinning, trying to get one ski out. His truck was sliding into the bay. And now he has a second ski to get out of there. There's no way he's going to pull both skis out. So I'm going to try to help him get the skis out so that his truck doesn't slide down into the bay. It's just a two-wheel drive and it's just spinning. It's not going anywhere. See if we can get him out.
I don't have a strap, man, or I'd pull you out.
Yeah, no, it's all good.
Do you have one? You got a rope or something?
I have straps, yeah.
Where at?
In back of the truck.
Well, go ahead. I'm going to wait for you to hook it up, and I'll see if I can help you out, okay?
Appreciate it. Thank you.
It's slippery. Can't get his skis out. But if I have to, I'll come around and then latch onto the front of you here somewhere.
Yeah.
If you're coming out here in bad conditions like this, make sure you get a vehicle that can pull whatever you're loading out of the water. I've actually seen vehicles go into the bay and it's not good.
Yeah, right there. See if we can get it on like that. Yeah.
Yeah, you probably didn't see that unless you're paying attention, but that truck is actually sliding back right now. It's really slippery and slippery.
Oh, man.
Sliding down.
Yeah, it's sliding.
Nice, dude. Can I back in a little more?
I don't know, brother. You're cutting it close right there. And even if you nail that, it won't come up anymore.
That's it.
Put your ratchet on there. Put your strap. Maybe you can ratchet it with your strap here. No rush, man. Let's take our time. Let's get it out of here, brother. I'm in no hurry. Hook the ratchet right here, one of these straps on there, and just ratchet it up on. You can get it that way. Yep. I don't want. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, man.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
All right, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah, he needs to either get a bigger truck or get a winch on that thing. On that thing.